What's good, babes, and welcome back to the channel. So getting right into this video, look how beautiful and natural this install looks. This is actually a U-part wig that I created at home in less than an hour using some hair that I found from Amazon Prime. This is actually hair that I reused, and I had it from maybe a year ago. So if you want to see how I got this super natural install using a wig that I made at home, definitely stay tuned. Alright, babe, so jumping right into the video, this is the canvas head that I'm going to be using to construct my wig. This canvas head can be purchased on Amazon. It will be listed in the description box below. This size canvas head is a 21-inch canvas head. So please make sure that you measure your head out properly and use the proper size canvas head, or your wig will be too big or too small. And we don't want that. We don't want no wig that's too big or too small because it ain't going to sit right. Okay, so this is the dome cap that I'm going to be using. I am using a mesh dome cap. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. This is the brand that I'm using, but the one that I have, they have one that's specifically for U-part wigs. So go ahead, grab the mesh dome cap. Make sure you grab the one that's specifically for U-part wigs. It's going to have that cut out at the top there. Now, this mesh dome cap I love because it's super breathable, super affordable, and it has strings, drawstrings in the back that you can tighten the wig up. Right now, I'm just showing you how I use the canvas head to help me determine where to place my cap on my canvas head to make sure it's centered on the wig correctly. And I'm also making sure that my wig cap is flat. You want to make sure there's no lumps or bumps or spaces on your wig cap while it's on there, because it's just not going to fit right. So make sure it's flat onto your canvas head. Make sure you got some T-pins and stuff to hold it down, and you'll be good to go. So right now you see me take the wig cap back, and I am putting a plastic bag over my canvas head because I want to protect the canvas head, because we're going to be using a glue to construct this wig today. So right now I'm just showing you where I have my pins at, and I'm also again showing you how I cut the plastic bag off the front, and I'm still making sure that my wig cap is on there in the right position on the canvas head, and we're ready to start laying our extensions. So before we do, please do not skip this step. Go in with some hairspray. Make sure it's very strong hairspray. I like to use Got2b, and spray all over the wig cap. Spray all over it, all over it, all over it. And let it dry, and do about 3 layers, because that's going to help make our wig hold better, hold longer, and it's going to help our extensions glue to the mesh dome cap a lot better. So I just showed you the hair. The hair is purchased from Amazon, and right now you just see me going in and measuring out the track, applying my glue, and then putting that onto the canvas head, onto the cap, pushing it in with my fingers. And you want to hold it on there for about maybe 10 seconds when you're doing this method, simply because we are working on a mesh dome cap and it doesn't have a lot of material there to adhere to. But if you let it dry, let it get tacky, when you put it on there, you should be good to go with none of the extensions being loose or coming off of the mesh dome cap easily. So again, you just see me measuring from nape to nape, on one side of my neck to the next other side of my neck, left to right, right to left, however you want to go, it's up to you. And I'm just doing this as if I'm doing a quick weave on my own head or on somebody else's head. So I'm going to let the video continue to play because this part is pretty repetitive and self-explanatory, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. If you would like a more detailed video of me making a wig, definitely drop me some comments and I'll leave a detailed video, because right now this is just me showing you the basic. I'm leaving out a whole lot of detailed information, but if you want me to do a detailed video, I will. And I also have some videos up already of me making wigs. Not a U-part wig, but I have some videos of me making wigs. But anyways, you guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned to see how this turns out, y'all. I absolutely loved this wig. This has turned into my everyday wig. So yeah. Now, I want to get into this hair. This hair was purchased from Amazon, honestly, y'all, about a year or maybe even 2 years ago. I want to say I made a wig with this hair. The hair is actually called Key Ying Beauty on Amazon. The brand is called King Beauty on Amazon. And I'm not gonna lie, I really didn't truly love this hair, but it wasn't bad either. For the price, I don't think it was worth it. It claims that it's virgin hair. I don't believe that it's virgin hair. I think it's more so human hair, or really nice, really high quality human hair. But the hair is nice. The bundles were full, but the ends of the hair do get thin. And the hair does not hold a curl very well. I don't care if you use hairspray or whatever, the curls will fall. It did not tangle easy. And its shed was minimum, but didn't tangle a lot at all, which I loved. But it definitely does get frizzy. Like if you go outside and it's humid, the hair is gonna frizz up, or not frizz up, but like poof up because of the humidity. But other than that, if you want to give the hair a try, definitely recommend giving it a try. For the price, it's super affordable. But if you're looking for like virgin hair, something that's gonna last you a super long time with everyday wear, I wouldn't get it. I've completed our wig. Now this is my little ratchet braid pattern. Y'all know I'm not a good braider, and I have my leave out on the sides and my leave out on the top. Here is the wig that now that it has been finished constructed. Something that I did off camera was I added combs on both ends of the wig that you can see there. You can get those combs from your local beauty supply store, wherever they sell, you know, hair and extensions and wigs. You should be able to purchase these combs. But I got those, and I actually hot glue those on to the wig. You can hot glue them on there, or you can sew them on there. You can also use the combs that are actually clips, like the combs that are on clip-ins when you buy clip-ins. But I didn't get those because those can be very, very tough on your hair. So just beware of that if you decide to get those combs. But these ones do the job, and I actually prefer these. They're a lot safer for your hair. So definitely get those, and be sure to hot glue those on the end of the wig, or you can sew them on there. I chose the hot glue, as you can see, because it's just quicker. Now we're going to get into laying our wig down. I'm going to go in and go ahead and flat iron my leave out. Guys, please use heat protectant on your hair when you put heat on your head. I can't stress it enough. Always use heat protectant, and I use some off camera. And right now you see me sticking those combs into my little ratchet braids that I did. This part I do want to point out, do not do the braid pattern that I did. I mean, you can do it and get away with it, but if you want a more seamless blend with your leave out, you should put 2 braids directly on the directly next to your leave out. So right on the sides of your leave out where the part is, you want to have 2 braids there that you can stick the combs from your wig into, and that will make your leave out blend so much more flawlessly and seamlessly. I hope that made sense. So your U-part wig should be as close to your leave out ends and begin as possible to make your leave out blend flawlessly. So right now you just see me going in, adding in some quick curls. I just wanted to style the hair and give it some life, make it look cute. And then the next part you'll see me doing my leave out as well. Again, use heat protectant. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video and enjoyed this tutorial and an installation video. You guys, let me know in some comments what you want to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to stay beautiful and stay blessed. And this is the finishing results, guys. I love this U-part wig so much. It looks so freaking natural. Like, this looks like it's my hair. Like, I absolutely love it. So Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see a more detailed video, definitely drop me some comments and I'll be sure to post another detailed one. But in the meantime, y'all stay beautiful, stay blessed, and safe out there. Mwah.